Welcome, my beautiful students. How are you today, girls? How are you? Okay, my superstars, today we will take unit for lesson 3 in our book We Can. But first of all, I will tell you what is the day and the date. Today is what, girls? Today is Sunday, and the spelling is Sunday, and the date is 24 1443 after Hijrah. Okay? So, first of all, I will ask and give you the answers of some questions before starting my own lesson for today. If I ask you girls, what chores do you do at home? 1. I set the table, I wash the dishes, I clean up my room, I vacuum the floor, and I take out the trash. Number 2. If I ask you, give me examples of dangerous sports like scuba diving, skydiving, bungee jumping, hang gliding, and rock climbing. Then, give me examples of common sports like what? Football, basketball, tennis, horse riding, and volleyball. Then, what sport do you like? I like basketball. Then, give me examples of sea animals: fish, dolphin, shark, seahorse, whale, and walrus. Okay, as I told you, girls, today we will take Unit 4, Lesson 3. The title of our unit is about chores. We will take two pages, page 30 and 31. Okay, first of all, use the present simple in the following sentences. Focus, here we have the present simple. Amal swims every day. We have to add S here. Amal swims every day. She washes the dishes. She what? She washes. So I have to add S to the verb if you use she, he, and it, and if you use one name like Amal. Okay? I, the fish. I feed the fish. And number 4, we vacuum the floor every day. Okay? Today we will discuss together the present continuous. What do I mean by the present continuous, girls? I mean المضارع المستمر. Okay? So, the present continuous is used for actions happening now or for an action that is unfinished. So, the action happening now يحدث الآن or for an action that is unfinished يعني حدث لم ينتهي بعد. Okay? How to form the present continuous, girls? Number 1, we have I plus am plus the verb with ing. So, I am plus the verb with ing. For example, I am studying English now. Can I say, girls, I studying English now? Of course, no. Okay, can I say I am studying English now? Of course not. So, I have to say I am studying English now. What about number 2? He is plus the verb with ing, she is plus the verb with ing, it is plus the verb with ing. For example, girls, he is playing football now. She is writing her homework. It is raining now. So here we have to add the verb to be and plus the verb with ing. Can I say he is playing football now? Of course not. I have to say he is playing. Okay? Let me complete. We have they, we, and you plus are plus the verb with ing. For example, my superstars, they are swimming now. We are studying English now. You are playing basketball. I'm sure that you know how to use the present continuous because I explained the present continuous many times before. Make a sentence using the present continuous, girls. Here we have a boy sitting at the table. So we have to say he is sitting at the table. This is the present continuous. He is what? He is sitting the table. And number 2, what can you see here? I can see a girl washing the dishes. So we have to say she is washing the dishes. And number three, we have a boy reading a book and how to make a sentence using the present continuous. He is reading a book. He is what? He is reading a book. Now, make three sentences using the present continuous. Focus with me, please. I am swimming now. She is reading a short story. He is watching TV. They are playing tennis. We are studying English now. Okay? Here we have a word, girls, behind these numbers. Let me discover the new words. Number five, can you tell me what is it? No. What about number two? Can you tell me now what is it? Yes, I can see a robot. So what is this? This is a robot. The spelling is R-O-B-O-T. This is a robot. This is what? This is a robot. R-O-B-O-T. This is a robot. Now, open your book, girls. My lesson today is so easy. Please open your book and listen, my superstars. Write the day with the date first. After that, you have to listen.
Rhythms and reading. Exercise 1. Listen and chant with actions. Clever robot. I have a little robot, the smartest ever seen. He washes my dishes and keeps the house clean. He bakes my bread and makes me a drink. He sits by the fire and gives me a smile.
Now let's do it together with our own sound effects. I have a little robot. Zzz, zzz, the smartest ever seen. Zwing! He washes my dishes. Wish, wash, and keeps the house clean. Slurp! He bakes my bread. Thump, thump, and makes me a drink. Clink, clink, he sits by the fire. Ah, and gives me a smile. Yay! What a great robot!
Now make groups. First group. Are you ready? Let's start.
I have a little robot. Zzz, zzz, the smartest ever seen. Zwing! He washes my dishes. Wish, wash, and keeps the house clean. Slurp! He bakes my bread. Thump, thump, and makes me a drink. Clink, clink, he sits by the fire. Ah, and gives me a smile. Yay!
So, girls, listen to me, please. I have a little robot, the smartest ever seen. He washes my dishes and keeps the house clean. He bakes my bread and makes me a drink. He sits by the fire and gives me a smile. Again, girls, clever robot. I have a little robot, the smartest ever seen. He washes my dishes and keeps the house clean. He bakes my bread and makes me a drink. He sits by the fire and gives me a smile. Challenge time, girls. What are they doing? You have to fill in the blanks using these phrases, girls. Okay, listen, please.
Challenge time. Exercise 3. What are they doing now? Write each phrase in the right place. Listen and check. What is the good helper doing now? She usually vacuums and cleans up her room early in the morning or in the afternoon. What is she doing now? She's watching TV and eating a snack. Her room is clean, her chores all done. What is the good helper doing now? He usually feeds the fish and goes shopping early in the morning or in the afternoon. What is he doing now? He's playing games and sitting back. The fish is full, his chores all done. Now let's do it in groups.
Okay, girls, here, what is the good helper doing now? You have to fill in the blanks using these phrases, girls, okay? So, here, what is the good helper doing now? She's usually vacuums and cleans up her room early in the morning or in the afternoon. What is she doing now? She is watching TV and eating a snack. Her room is clean, her chores all done. What is the good helper doing now? He usually feeds the fish and goes shopping early in the morning or in the afternoon. What is he doing now? He is playing games and sitting back. The fish is full, his chores all done. Okay? Your homework in the activity book is page 99 and 100, girls. You have to do it by yourself because it's so easy. Okay? This is the end of my lesson today, my superstars. Thank you for listening and watching my superstars, and see you in my virtual class. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye.